Hey friends, I'm Savan Kumar back. Sorry. Hey friends, I'm Savan Kumar back with a new topic, back with a new problem to share with you, to discuss with you, and find out if we have a real solution to it, and to find out if we can get over that problem, if we can really win over that problem. That problem is to where you have been for the last few months or few years or few decades. Have you been stuck? Have you been stuck of being a failure? Have you been stuck at the same place where have you have been from the last few years? If you have been stuck, if you have been a failure all through your life, if you have really not been able to achieve what you want to achieve, then this one is for you. Then this video is absolutely for you. Yes, it is for you. So let us start understanding how you can move on, how you can move on to the next level, how you can get to the next level, and if you can find out, if you are really able to figure out how you can move to the next level, I am sure you'll be crazy about it. You will be really happy about it because you always wanted to do that, but somewhere, somehow, you were not able to figure out how to do that, how to come out of that, how to get moving, how to get successful, how to stop being a failure, how to change everything around, how to change things, how to, you know, not have the similar things that we have been doing all through, how to just change everything. And there's one solution to it. There is just one solution to it, and that is a very natural solution. That is just a very simple and an extremely natural solution. You know what that solution is? That solution is about giving up. That solution is to sacrifice. Sounds like a big word, sacrifice. Oh man, I cannot do any sacrifice. नहीं नहीं नहीं, मुझसे नहीं होगा. मैं sacrifices नहीं कर सकता यार. That is very tough to do. But what we don't understand is giving up or sacrificing is something very natural to us. It's something that is already within us, and we are doing it every single moment. We just do not realize that we are already doing a lot of sacrifices. We are already giving up to a lot of things, but we are just not doing the right sacrifices. We are just not giving up the right things. If you want to reach to a place, you have to leave your current position, right? If you want to reach to the other side of the river, you first have to leave this side. If you want to reach another city or another country, from country A to country B, you first have to leave country A to reach country B. So there is nothing about sacrificing or giving up. That is just natural. ये बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है, isn't it? हर दिन सुबह शाम हर टाइम आप ऐसा कर रहे हो. आपको अगर कॉलेज पहुंचना है तो आपको घर से निकलना होगा. अब इसी को अगर हम बड़ा बनाए, यू हैव टू सैक्रिफाइस योर होम टू रीच टू योर कॉलेज. आप बस नेचुरली कर रहे हो ऐसा. आप सैक्रिफाइस कर रहे हो, आप ऑलरेडी गिव अप कर रहे हो, बट जस्ट दैट कि यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग how to give up on the right things, how to sacrifice on the right things. If you are not mm, waking up early, or if you are not working out every day, or if you are not becoming successful because of certain things, and you know what those things are, you are maybe you're not ready to sacrifice. People say that you are not ready to sacrifice, but you are already sacrificing. You are sacrificing. You are already giving up, but you are not giving up what you should give up. You are giving up on your dreams. You are giving up on your dreams when you should give up on your laziness, right? So you are already giving up, but you are not giving up the right thing. If you want to add new clothes to your wardrobe, that would only happen when you give up the old clothes in your wardrobe. If you want to buy a new mobile phone or if you want to buy a new laptop, that would only be possible when you give up your old laptop. Now, to get a new laptop, if you give up something else, you would never be buying a new laptop. You will not never ever need need maybe two laptops. So you have to give up on the right thing. Either you give up on your dreams or you give up on your laziness. Either you give up on not being successful or you are giving up on being successful. So it just depends on what we are giving up. Every single day I am giving up. I am giving up to my comfort. I am giving up the things that I like. I am giving up on the restaurants I like to visit. I am giving up on the food that I want to eat. It depends. If I want to be fitter, if I want to have a good body, what do I give up? I give up on the food that I love to eat, or I might give up on my want to have a good body. So either I give up the food or I give up my want to have a good and healthy body. So what are you ready to give up? If you are giving up the right thing, you will get what you want to get. So if you have been blaming the society and the government and the economy for not being successful, give up on that. Give up on that bad habit of making everybody else responsible for you not being successful. Give it up today and give up your laziness, give up your excuses, give up all these blames that you have been giving for for the reasons that you have been giving to not be successful. Give up on those. Give up on those right now, right today. Give up, and you will see your life changing. You will see how things start changing in your life. Yes. So if you are stuck with failures, if you are stuck and angry over the government because they would never do anything, be it the election time or be it not the election time, they are not going to do anything ever for you. If you cannot do anything for yourself, if you cannot do anything for your family, no government, no prime minister, no president, no chief minister is ever going to do anything for you. It is you who is responsible. It is you who can change your life by giving up and by sacrificing on the right things. So, when where in nature do we see these things happening in our everyday life? We have seen the leaves falling from the trees. Have we? Why do you think the trees are giving up on the leaves? Because until they give up on those old and dead leaves, fresh leaves would not come up. Why do you think a snake sheds its skin? Because until and unless it sheds its old skin, new skin would never come. Even when we humans get hurt, what happens? Until and unless our old skin goes away, new skin does not come. Or the new skin starts coming and the old skin starts moving out. So it is very natural, right? Our system, the waste blood, the waste things go out of the body, and the fresh things, the things that body requires, are taken in. So we are naturally built the very similar way. We give up on the old things, we give up on the things that we do not need, and we accept the new things, we accept the new challenges, we accept everything that is new. So if you have stopped changing, if you have stopped giving up, that means you have stopped growing. It means that you have stopped developing. The moment, the day you stop giving up, the moment you say to yourself, no, social media is not for me. The moment you say to yourself, no, I do not want to use computers, because I am used to of the old things. I won't give up on my old systems. I won't give up on my old beliefs. Then you are saying to yourself, I am happy staying where I am. I am happy staying where I have been for the last 5, 10, or 20 years, maybe. So, if you want to change your place, if you want to change today, start giving up today and giving up the right things. Do not give up on your dreams. Do not give up on your wants. Do not give up on what you want. Do not give up on your goals. Do not give up on your targets. But give up on, you know, on the laziness, on your thought of let's sleep for another hour maybe, or your thought of snoozing the mobile maybe. So give up on those things. Do not give up on your goals. Do not give up on your dreams. Do not give up on anything that you should not be giving up on, and give up on all those things that you should be giving up on. So if you are ready to give up, you are ready to choose, and you are ready to grow, wish you all the best. And if you're not ready to give up, be ready to not grow. If you are not ready to change, be ready to not change. If you are not ready to change and give up and sacrifice, be ready to stay at the place where you have been staying and not be successful, not be happy, not be satisfied, not live the dreams that you always see. Rather, live a very sad and a mad and a bad life. So you choose whether you want to choose a sad, bad, and a mad life, or you choose a happy and a super happy, successful life for yourself. You are responsible for whatever you choose, and you are responsible for what you give up and what you sacrifice. If you have given up, if you are sacrificing the right thing, nothing on earth can stop you from being successful. I have given up on a lot of things. I love staying with my family. I really love staying with my parents, but I have given up on that. I stay far away from my parents because I come from a very small village, you can say, with no growth opportunities, no good opportunities there. And my parents stay there. Even though I really want to stay with them, I really want to be with them, and I feel the pain every single day of not being with them. But what do I do? Do I give up? No. If I want to be successful, if I really want to be successful, I will have to sacrifice. I will have to give up. And even my parents are sacrificing, because if they want to see their child becoming successful, they are giving up on their comfort of having a son by their side when they grow old. So they are giving up on their things. I am sacrificing and giving up for my success. I am giving up every single day. A lot of things. My family, my friends, my favorite food, my favorite restaurant, my favorite sleep. I give up on that every single day. My favorite, no, thing of not working out. My favorite thing of feeling lazy. But I give up on those things every single day, because if I do not give up, if I do not sacrifice the right things, sacrifice the right things is the key word. You have to give up and sacrifice on the right things. So if you are choosing, whether, so it is like, let's say, just a quick example. So you, in the evening, you have to go to hang out with your friends. So you are either giving up your studies to go out with your friends, or you are giving up the time to stay to enjoy with your friends, to do something more creative, something more useful. So what exactly are you giving up? So if you are sacrificing the right things, if you are giving up on the right things, if you are making the right choices, and as we talked in one of my videos about the rejections, so if you are doing the right rejections, nothing on earth can ever stop you from becoming successful and achieving all that you have ever wanted. So, friends, if you have any questions, or if you do not think what I said was just right, or if you have any queries, any questions, feel free to get in touch with me, ask me in the comments below, and I'll be there to answer any of your queries, any of your questions. So, feel free to get back to me, and do make sure that you like and subscribe my channel if you want to keep getting a lot of similar updates. And even if you do not like me, you hate me, then also please like and subscribe my channel so that you keep getting what you do not like to. If you do not like to see me, come on, like and subscribe my channel, and you will see what rubbish I speak every day, and you will get more reasons to be happy about me speaking rubbish. But if you like me and love me, you will get more reasons to be happy, because I will be giving you more reasons to be successful, and super simple ways. If I can do it, if I strongly believe, if I, a dumb person like me, a fool like me, an idiot like me, can do this, can be in front of the camera talking to you like this, then anybody on earth can do anything he wants. Yes, anything he wants, anything that you want. Wish you all the very best for your career, for all the successes. Wish you all the best in finding out what you are giving up today, what you are sacrificing today, and what is going to make you successful today. Wish you all the best. Have a good day. Bye bye.